a chef, you don't always get people cooking for you because they're always scared to cook for you or think you're gonna judge every dish. If someone was cooking for me, honestly, that right there would make me feel really special. But I do love Asian cuisines. I love a good curry. Red curry, green curry, yellow curry, I don't care. And your girl loves rice, so I need my bowl of rice, hopefully jasmine rice. And that just makes me happy. My baby boy, he loves steaks. That moment when he comes home, I always do some type of steak dish. Simply done with salt, pepper, getting the pan really, really hot, searing both sides, serving it with some beautiful mashed potatoes. There's always a salad. That's how we balance it, right? He eats his steak, but he's also gonna get plenty vegetables with it.
Watch the series now on KERA Passport. Support for the Great American Recipe comes from Visit Plano.